Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. It is week 7 and I am feeling the burnout. I am feeling the burnout. Even though I've been off work with the knee injury, which I had an MRI this morning. So, hopefully we're going to have some information soon about what's happening. The art collection's growing on the back wall. That one there is the premium print of Demon Mage, and holy cow, I was impressed with the posters that I was getting out of my print on demand. That is 100% cotton museum quality rag paper, and it is amazing. I don't have a frame for it yet, so I'm kind of like, I got to get a frame for that thing. It's that beautiful. That's available on the website. I started posting premium prints, posters, and puzzles only on Etsy. So if you're a big Etsy fan, you can find us on Etsy. It is, guess this, Kaosivity on Etsy. So stuff is available on the website. Stuff's now available on Etsy. That was kind of my pet project this week, and maybe that's a little bit of why I'm feeling the burnout, is because, going through all the item descriptions and making sure all the I's are dotted and T's are crossed and putting in tags and making sure whatever. Oh man, it's been a week, let me tell you. But to recap what I did this week, I got 15 Instagram carousels, 6 reels, 6 YouTube shorts, 6 Pinterest pins, got 11 long form videos, and 10 of those are vodcasts for my brand new image, which I don't have yet. Actually, there's 2 of them I don't have yet. I'm waiting for one, should be here in a couple of days. And I just ordered the one today that I just completed and put through my print on demand supplier, called Fallen Angel. And that thing was so cool. I had an idea for it. I couldn't get what I wanted to have happen in my image editing to happen, so I went a different way, and it ended up being cooler than the first idea I had. So you guys got to go look at that one, at least. Go over to the website, just to see what's there, just to see the art that I'm creating by taking AI images and then editing them myself and changing them and removing things and adding things. And because I can get AI to do a certain thing, but I can't get it to see what I see in here. So I have to go back and edit the images and change them and make them what I see in here. And then I can put them out on the website and share them with the world. And I mean, this has been such a transformative experience for me, being a 50-something grandpa, that I've had these ideas and these images in my head my entire life and had no way of getting them out until I discovered AI image generation. And while it doesn't do a perfect job for me, and I have to do something else, and I've had to teach myself how to use image editing software, and I'm still learning. But that's part of the reason why I do the other videos that I do as a vodcast, which is behind the scenes, which is what I'm documenting all my image stuff with. So if you say, oh, I don't know how to do any image editing, watch those, man. You'll learn something. Hopefully you'll see me fumble around and find out while I'm trying to produce, take an image from raw AI and change it. And like I said, on this last one on Fallen Angel, I was dead set on putting this piece of another image into that image, and I could not get it to work. And it's probably my inexperience. People out there that are graphic designers and know this stuff in and out probably could have done it in like 12 clicks and 38 seconds, but not this old coot. No, I just could not figure out a way to make it work. So I went back to the drawing board. I actually was uploading not uploading. I was actually exporting, producing the complete series. So like all of the series is all of the videos strung together in one big video. And I had to push stop, like cancel on the export, because I was like, I got it. I figured it out. I know what that picture needs because I knew that picture needed something else. And so I went about, canceled that, loaded up my screen recorder, went through the whole process and added it to as a step 9. Like this, I was looking at this picture and it just wasn't done. I was like, man, this is so good. I want to do something with this. I want to put this out as a print. I want to put this out as a poster and a puzzle. And it's not there. And then all of a sudden I had this brilliant idea and I just added something else to it and it changed the entire like emotion of the piece. So I had to record what I was doing and, go back and put everything together for the complete video. Those videos drop every day. So I record, like I spend an entire day, sometimes 2 days. And I don't record everything I do with the images, but a lot of it is like, hey, I can show people how to do this. I can show people how to do that. I'm already in the image. I'm already working on it. I'm already doing something with it. Why not record it and put it out there as a podcast? And then people might be like, hey, I never thought of doing something like that. Or more importantly to me, the people out there that are like me, that don't have the training to do this kind of stuff, to give them the courage to fumble around and find out and do it. Just figure out how to do it. Just figure out, like, I thought for sure at this point, I was like, I can get those 2 pictures to mesh and get all the colors matched up. And no, I couldn't. But then I came across an even better idea that I like even better than the idea I had originally. But I fumbled on, I babbled on enough about that. But anyways, I got 15 Facebook posts. I got 6 TikToks. I got the website maintenance complete. I got Etsy set up and live. It's been a hell of a week, man. It has been a hell of a week. And for a while, I was like, I don't know if I can keep doing this. Because you look at the analytics, you look at the stuff that's happening behind the scenes. Every social has their little metrics and their little analytics that they give you and all this stuff. And I'm going, like last week, YouTube's the most frustrating. I love YouTube. I love doing these videos. That's why I'm doing the whole podcast thing. I mean, 11 videos in a week, 10 videos in a week. Most people are like, dude, I can't do, more than 1, maybe 2. But I'm just using a screen record while I'm working on stuff that I'm working on anyways. But anyways, last week I had 3 of my shorts like go massive views. 3 days in a row I had shorts that are on YouTube that like just, 90, 100x. Well, maybe not that high, but you know what I mean? I was like, I looked at the views and I was like, what? Really? And like the 4th day, I was right back down to where my views have been on my shorts. And my videos are picking up little by little by little by little by little by little. I mean, they're just, hey, you know what? People just might not like the old coot that whatever. Anyways, this stuff's all evergreen. It could be 3 years down the road, all of a sudden I start getting 1 million views. I don't know. But to see that take off over those 3 days and then to go back in there and be like, what happened? Like, I thought maybe I had finally hit like a little bit of a traction point. And I can't say it was anything in particular about those 3 shorts, because the 3 shorts before and the 3 shorts after were almost identical. So what was it about those 3? I mean, the images that I create and share through the shorts and on reels and carousels and things like that, those are raw images, and they all tend to be along the same baseline of stuff. I mean, in case you didn't know, I like dragons and I like demons and death and the Four Horsemen, I've got one that I'm working on that I just have not figured out what to do with yet, but that one's going to be really cool, the Four Horsemen of the Apocalypse. But demons, fairies, fantasy stuff. And that's the images that I make, and that's the images that I share. So I went back and I looked individually at the reels for that whole week. I was like, okay, well, maybe there was something different about these three in particular. And there wasn't. These aren't talking head videos. I'm just sharing images like, hey, this is what Kaosivity is about. So I don't know. I mean, I just don't know. But, that's the wrap up on the week, man. It's been an incredible week. But yeah, I can see how, getting this stuff going is starting to wear on me, even given the fact that I've been off work for 4 weeks now. So how I was fitting it in with work, I don't know, but now I'm going to have to figure that back out because I don't have a choice anymore. I mean, I had my MRI this morning and I've got to work tomorrow, whether my knee enjoys it or whether I enjoy it, because that's just the reality of living this life. And I'll see what the MRI says and what the doc says. And if we're looking at surgery, I'm going to figure that whole thing out. But in the meantime, I'm going to keep doing this. And the only reason I'm going to keep doing it is because I enjoy it. And I'm so, so, so thankful to finally be able to get my creativity out of this old brain before it starts getting dementia and Alzheimer's or whatever might happen in the future. So, give us a like, share, subscribe, comment, comment down below. Hey, you're a dumbass old bastard. But that's okay, because in a lot of respects I am. But that's it for today, guys. I love the accountability of making myself do this video every week after I've already produced 10 videos for the week. But week 7's in the books, and we're coming up on the end of the month. So next week I might have all the numbers put together in time for this video for what we gained in traction from the beginning of March to the end of March. But it is working. It could turn a hell of a lot faster, but it is working. It is slowly, organically doing what it's meant to do. But thanks for hanging out with me, and I will continue to do this. Hopefully you guys continue to tune in, and remember, let the chaos out. It has changed my life to find an outlet for this creativity that I have always had. And we'll see you on the next one, guys.